This 15-minute Tai Chi workout helps you burn belly fat, tone your thighs, and improve balance. Gentle, no jumping, just smooth movements that strengthen your lower body and leave you feeling lighter, stronger, and more energized. Just follow along and start moving now. Exercise 1. Three, two, one, start. Turn your head slowly from one side to the other with relaxed shoulders. Keep the movement easy and comfortable, allowing your neck to release naturally. Next exercise. Three, two, one, begin. Raise one hand smoothly overhead as you step forward with light control. Stay tall through your spine and keep your balance steady. Exercise 3. Three, two, one. Let's begin. Rotate through your waist as you turn to the side, keeping both hands steady. Stay balanced and let the movement flow with ease. Exercise 4. Three, two, one. Join me. Lift your arms with an open chest and relaxed shoulders. Breathe naturally as the movement expands. Then return smoothly to begin again. Exercise 5. Three, two, one. Follow along. Sink gently into the stance as your hands rise toward your chest. Keep your spine tall and move with calm, steady control. Next exercise. Three, two, one. Move with me. Extend one hand toward the sky while the other stays grounded and balanced. Shift your weight smoothly and keep the movement light and balanced. Exercise 7. Three, two, one. Begin. Unfold your arms into a wide, open stretch and gently turn through your torso. Keep your chest relaxed and let the movement feel light and free. Exercise 8. Three, two, one. Let's begin. Rise onto one leg with smooth control and keep your body upright. Focus on steady balance and move with quiet confidence. Exercise 9. Three, two, one. Join me. Open your arms with a gentle turn through the upper body. Breathe easily and let your chest expand as the movement flows naturally. Exercise 10. Three, two, one. Follow along. Extend your leg gently to the side while keeping your upper body steady. Stay centered over the standing leg and move with relaxed control. Next exercise. Three, two, one. Move with me. Shift your weight smoothly from one side to the other with steady control. Keep your posture upright and let the movement stay relaxed and balanced. Exercise 12. Three, two, one. Begin. Lift your heel with a smooth, easy rhythm as you shift your weight forward. Stay relaxed and let each step feel light and effortless. Given your body 15 minutes of gentle, mindful movement, and that's a great step toward better health. Real progress comes from staying consistent, one day at a time. Keep moving with me, and you'll feel stronger, lighter, and more balanced. If you enjoyed today's workout, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next session.